Hey Ramon, got a funny one here for you as well. On this one, just like on your car, the one you had recently where you turned the wipers on, the vehicle would die out and not start. This is something similar. When the vehicle is up to operating temperature and you turn the headlights on, shortly after, there you go, see it just died. Turn the headlights off and the engine runs. This only happens at idle though. If I keep the RPMs high, turn the headlights on, it does not die out. And it may or may not die at idle here when it comes down to idle. It more so happens at idle when you're just idling and then turn the headlights on, but not all the time. Just give it a minute. It's not dying out now, but here's what I found. So somebody's been in here before and instead of attaching these ground wires directly to battery negative, they just used a bolt here to tie them together, and then they ran a single wire to the battery. Just holding this bolt, I can feel temperature, and then so that got me suspicious, right? Oh, there you go. See, as soon as I move this, it dies out. But what I was going to say is that I'm just measuring voltage drop here across the negative terminal, and every time it dies out, I get about a volt. So these two, one of these two is the main ground for the computer, and so when it loses ground, obviously the car dies. So thank you for posting your video. This gave me an idea of where to look. Keep up the great content.